Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about what is Python. Python is a programming language. We all know that. Now you might ask, what is programming language? A programming language is simply a way to give instructions to a computer. Now think about it. If you want your friend to do something, you speak in a language he understands. In the same way, if you want a computer to do something, you need a language the computer can understand. Python is one such language here. Now, why is everyone talking about Python here? Because Python is one of the easiest programming language to learn. Even if you never written code before, you can start understanding Python quickly. Let me show you the most Python program here. Print hello world. Shift enter. Here, the single lines tells the computer to display the words hello world on the screen. Print means to show the output. That's it. You just written your first Python program here. But where is Python actually used? Python is used in artificial intelligence when AI answer questions, recognizes images, or learns from data. Python is often involved. It is also used in machine learning, data science, web development, automations, and many other fields. That's why millions of people are learning Python today. And it is simple for the beginners, but powerful enough for the advanced technologies like AI also. That's it. In the next video, I will teach you the variables, the way a computer stores and remembers information. Thank you.